Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but I am back and I'm better and I'm here to stay. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and please guys, like and comment on this video. So today I am doing a beginner friendly finger wave tutorial. Can't speak. I'm doing a beginner friendly finger wave tutorial. So if you're interested to see how I achieve this look right here, keep on watching. I'm so ugly. Okay, I'm back. I recently learned how to do the back of my head, so I'm going to show you guys how I do finger waves for beginners. Okay, so I have my mirror right here, which I'm going to be looking at. These are the things that you need. You're going to need mousse. I use the Cantu for natural hair mousse. Can you see this? I use the Equal styling gel for my edges. This is for the edges. And I use this little comb for the waves. And to set it all, I use the Got To Be spray, so it doesn't go anywhere. Now I have 4C natural hair. I have 4C natural hair. So in order to get my hair for finger waves, I really think it's not gonna look the same. I don't know if it's gonna work at all if you try to do finger waves on 4C hair. But for me, to make it easier, I relaxed my hair. And honestly, I don't want to hair because I cut my hair like every 2 months. So this relaxed hair right here is not going to be here in the next 2 weeks probably. So I don't really care about relaxing it as much as I used to be anymore. Well, I'm going to start with this one because I have a little bit left. So I'm going to start with this one before I use the other one. I'm going to put it on this side, but I'm going to put mousse. Oops. Hey, secretly. Alright. I just put mousse all over my head, literally. So now that I got my mousse all over my head, I'm going to part it. And like I said, I'm putting it on this side. So it's just gonna be a straight part, nothing fancy. And then after I part it, I just lay it the direction I want it to go. You want to make sure your hair is really damp. Like, I just washed my hair, so it can be, literally it was so wet. I didn't dry it. I washed my hair, I didn't dry it, and I just put mousse on it. The more damp, the easier it will lay once you put mousse on it. Once you do that, you want to put more mousse on it. But now with this mousse, now you want to start swooping it. So this is how I do mine. So I start off down like this. You brush it. Now it's really easy. The more mousse you have on your head, the easier it is to swoop. So I start off like this and put a little more mousse on it. Okay, so I start off like this. And then pull. So it's like a C. Pull like that. Just like that. I do this, I brush it the way I want it to go. Once you get the perfect C, kind of do that. Yeah. And then once I get it, I try not to mess with it too much, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. It was really easy for me to learn to do it. Just what's hard is getting the back, which we're gonna see how that goes. Then I do this like that. Boom. And then I do the last one right here. Again, the more mousse you have on it, the better it is. I try to like really brush it outwards so the finger waves could like kind of come to my forehead a little, so you can really get the swoosh effect. Do this. Sometimes it's really hard to like brush it back because then it straightens the swoop. So sometimes I just do this and then like I don't know how to explain it. I just watch. I just do this, and if it already looks like a C, then I just like slightly brush it down. Now I'm not good with instructions, so hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense because baby, if your hair, if it's freshly like relaxed or whatever, it's really easy because the hair is like straighter and you don't have any curly roots, so it's just easier to swoop it. Now if you don't want to relax your hair, that's totally fine. If you can get your hair in a nice if you can do finger waves with 4C hair, let me know how you do it, because it would be really nice not to have to relax my hair. So now I'm gonna do this side, and since the swoop went this way, I'm gonna make it go this way, if that makes sense, so it can look like this. Wow, I'm so horrible at instructions, you guys, just bear with me. I'll brush it back, then brush it upwards like that. Then again, I try to bring like the swooping part forward so you can make that very like, so you can have that illusion. Like that. Now, finger waves, it does not have to be perfect at all whatsoever. I mean, waves aren't really perfect, so I don't know. It's just, you don't have to worry about it looking perfect. Just make sure you finish the whole thing and you let the mousse like dry, then it'll look fine. Now I'll put more mousse over here. And my roots are growing, so it's not very it's not as easy as it used to be to do waves. Cause listen, when you first relax it, you can easily whoop 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 whoop, because it's so like easy because you don't have curly roots. Okay, we're just gonna repeat. And usually I do my waves before I do my makeup, because listen, see how this mousse is touching my face? I don't need it to be touching my makeup and my foundation and all that. I do this first. By the time like the mousse is drying, I'm doing my makeup. So by the time I'm done with my makeup, my hair is done as well. Okay, so you guys, bear with me. It's gonna look really good at the end. Okay, I promise. I might look a little crazy right now, but like, you see this? You get it. You get it. Now it's time to do the back, and you guys, I've only successfully did the back once. So and it was okay. It was okay. So let's do it again today. Let's see how it looks. So this is how I do it. I have my handheld mirror right here. You want to make sure you have a mirror in your hand and a mirror behind you, and then like look in the mirror with this mirror, if that makes sense. And you guys, I'm actually thinking of having like a undercut, I think that's what it's called, right here, because this does not look correct. I'm to put more mousse because my roots are very curly and thick. Oh shoot, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Alright, now I'm gonna connect this. Look, I'm gonna be a pro soon. It's only my second time. I'm gonna connect this. Mousse really helps y'all. Okay. Okay, I can see now. Alrighty, y'all. I think I'm done with this. So here's the back. So now this is where we use the edge control for the edges, and we kind of fix like some parts that aren't flaky in the front. Swoosh, the swooshes, I'm gonna call it the swooshes that come to your face, like this, the ones that come forward. Just go ahead and fix them with this small brush. Like I'm doing my edges, literally. And then for this part, I just pull some hair down, and I also do like a swoop as well. Okay, this is good for today. I'm gonna just do a little swoop like this. I'm gonna spray a little bit now, and then spray a little bit after I do my makeup. Okay. Listen, if you do your edges and you put some of this on them, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere, baby. It ain't. I mean, you don't have to put the spray, but I just put it so it doesn't go any. Okay, so usually after I do my makeup, I spray some again, just to, you know, you can never be too safe. You can never be too safe. So make sure it gets the edges. And look, and I'm good. So yeah, that's how I get my finger waves for beginners. I hope you guys like it. Here's the back again. Here's the back. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this beginner friendly finger waves. Again, I'm not a professional at this. I've just started doing my finger waves, and I've just learned how to do the back of my head. So I mean, practice makes perfect. So hopefully soon I'm a pro at this. But I like the results. I like how it looks right now. I hope you guys like it too. I hope you learned something from this. And yeah, comment your thought on the hair, and if you do your finger waves, what do you do? Let me know, because I mean, I'm pretty cool. I like what I do. But if you have like a better technique or something, inform me down in the comments below. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. New videos coming out every day. Oh, it's like nah. Y'all wish. One more thing. If you guys have any video suggestions, please comment down below, because I really don't know what to know what to record, because the things I make you guys don't want to watch. So like, what do y'all want to see? comment down below. Thank you very much.